एक व्हड स्वातंत्र्य सेनानी, एक व्हड लेखक, एक इतिहासकार, या देशाचे पहिले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हांची आज पुण्यतिथी. तांचो उगडास करून तांकां आर्गां ओंपपाक आज आमी सगळे हांगा एकठांय आयिल्ले आसा. सुरवेक आमी तांच्या तसबिरीक फुलां ओंपून तांकां पयलीं आर्गां ओंपुया. देव बरें करूं. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हे एका व्हड घराण्यांत जल्मा आयिल्ले. तांचे बापूय मोतीलाल नेहरू हे सुरवाती पासून हे देशाच्या स्वातंत्र्य चळवळींत आशिल्ले. जवाहरलाल नेहरू आपल्या बापायचें उदाहरण घेवन आपुणूय ह्या चळवळींत फुडें घेतली आनी स्वातंत्र्य मेळसर जवाहरलाल नेहरू ह्या चळवळींत रावले, त्याग केलो, बंदखडींत गेले, खूब त्रास सोंसले आनी निमाणें जेन्ना आमकां स्वातंत्र्य मेळ्ळें तेन्ना ह्या देशाचे पहिले प्रधानमंत्री जावपाचो मान तांकां मेळ्ळो. तांणी ही जबाबदारी स्विकारली आनी आपल्या दूरदृश्टीन तांणी आधुनीक भारताची बुन्याद घाली. ह्या बुन्यादीचेरच आज आमचो देश उबो आसा. जे कितें आज आमकां दिसता हे तांच्या दूरदृश्टींतल्यान निर्माण जाल्लें हें काम आज आमकां दिश्टी पडटा. आनी जरी कांय लोक ताका कमी लेखपाचो प्रयत्न करतात तरी हें शक्य जावचें ना. कारण जवाहरलाल नेहरू ह्या देशांतल्या सगळ्या लोकांच्या काळजांत आसा. ताजो केन्नाच विसर पडपाक शक्य ना. तांणी केल्लें काम आमचे मुखार आसा आनी ताजें मार्गदर्शन आजय आमकां जाय. ह्या देशाची जर उदरगत जातली, देश आनीकय फुडें वचलो जाय जाल्यार तांच्या विचारांचें मार्गदर्शन आमी घेवपाक जाय आनी फुडें वाटचाल करपाक जाय. ताजो उगडास करपा खातीर हालींच AICC जवाहर बाल मंच नावाचो एक सेल सगळ्याक स्थापीत केला आणि ती बरी खबर बरी गजाल कारण जी ल्हान भुरगीं आसात तांकां नेहरू बद्दल म्हायती आसप गरजेचें. आयच्या पिळगेक तरणाट्याक ताची व्हडलीशी म्हायती नासत म्हणून ह्या बाल मंचा वरवीं ल्हान इस्कॉलाची जी भुरगीं आसात तांकां जवाहरलाल नेहरूची वळख जावची, तो कोण आशिल्लो, ताणें कितें काम केलां, ताणें कितलो त्याग केला हें सगळें ह्या ल्हान भुरग्यांक कळचें म्हणून जवाहर बाल मंचाची स्थापणूक जाल्ली आसा आणि गोंयाकूय ताचें काम सुरू जाल्लें आसा. हांव तुमचो चड वेळ घेना. हांव मागता बाब विश्वास नागवेकर आणि आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे.
मिळले सगळे काँग्रेस आमचे आमदार बालमंचाचे अध्यक्ष आणि बाकीचे सगळे पदाधिकारी, आज खरं म्हणचे जाल्यार प्रत्येक भारतीयाक गर्व जावपाक ताची पुण्यतिथी करता आसतना. कारण जेन्ना भारत स्वतंत्र जालो पळय तेन्ना भारतान एक टीम करपाची ताकद नासली आणि ह्या देशाक गरिबींतल्यान वयर काडून हाका एक इंडस्ट्रीज वयर काडच्यो हे सगळी स्वप्नांची आशिल्ली पळय. त्या भायर सायंटिफिकली आमची देश फुडें वचलो आशिल्लो. हे सगळे मनान घेवन तांचे दूरदृश्टीन म्हणजे ते आज कोणा कडेन तसली दूरदृश्टी आसा कशी म्हाका दिसना. ताणें कितें केलें, जे कॅपिटलिस्ट हांचे कडल्यान आमचे कांय इंडस्ट्रीज घेतल्यो, नॉन अलायन्ड मुवमेंट आशिल्लो पळय तातूंत ताजो मोठें वर्चस्व आशिल्लें. नॉन अलायन्डांतल्यान ताणें हांगासर बोकारो स्टील प्लांट सोवियत युनियनांतल्यान आयले, भिलाय स्टील प्लांट ह्या सारकी दोन मोठी प्लांट आयले, मागीर CSIR जाले आणि सगळे एड्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट, सायंटिफीक रिसर्च हे सगळ्या कडेन लक्ष दिवन त्या बरोबर कितें देशाची शांती कशी दवरतले हाचे कडेन तांणी लक्ष दिलें. आनी हे देश सेक्युलर कित्याक तर जरी तर आमी खंयच्या एका धर्माचेर आमचे राज्य दुखमे केल्ले जाल्यार ह्या देशान वेगळे वेगळे तरेचे लोक आनी वेगळे देव मानपी लोक हांकां कुशीक दवरचें पडटलें आमकां. आनी सगळ्यांक जर बरोबर घेवन फुडें वचूं जाय आनी देश जर मोठो करपाक जाय आमकां जाल्यार सेक्युलरिजम धरूनच तें फुडें वचपाचें आशिल्लें. आनी तें सगळें कार्य मोठ्या नेटान आमच्या नेहरू बाबान केलें. आनी हें करता आसतना कितें तांणी आपल्या फुडें तें मर्यादीत धरून तर सगळे तरेचे लोकांक घेवन बरोबर हें सगळीं कार्यां फुडें व्हेलीं. कितेंच उणीव ना. आज आमी त्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी पळयता पळय त्यो गोश्टी फक्त ताजे विजना खातीर, ताज्या दूरदृश्टी खातीर आमकां आज कळटा. तुमी विचार करात, एक 60 वर्सां आदीं जर ह्यो गोश्टी जावंक नाशिल्ल्यो जाल्यार आज आमी खंय आसतले. टुडे वी वील बी इन द डोल्डम्स. आज आमी प्राउडली वी आर रेडी टू एक्सपोर्ट स्टील, वी आर डुईंग सायंटिफीक रिसर्च, वी आर सेंडिंग आउट सॅटेलायट्स टू स्पेस. खंय अशें ना, सगळे तरेचे सगळे वातावरण सगळ्या स्तराचेर आमची प्रगती जाल्ली आसा. सायंटिफीक लेवल, कल्चरल लेवल आनी सगळे हितून. आनी त्या खातीर आज आमी एक हे भारतीयाचे नागरीक म्हणून आमी गर्व मानता आनी आमी ते खातीर ताका आर्गां दिता आसतना आमी म्हणया की ह्या तरेची ही जी आमची एकवट आहा ही एकवट फुडें उरची आनी ह्या देश आनी फुडें प्रगतीशील जावचो आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक आनीक बरे दीस येवचे. कित्याक बरे दीस येतले म्हणून आमकां सांगले आनी तुगेले आमकां फटयले म्हणल्यार आतां 10 वर्सां, पूण ह्या फुडें बरे दीस येवचे ह्या देशाक म्हणून आमी ताका आर्गां ओंपता आसतना मानया की आमी सगळे एकठांय रावतले आनी ह्या देशाक आनीक फुडें व्हरतले आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक बरे दीस आनी हाडपाक वावुरतले. देव
आता मागता आमच्यो जवाहर बाल मंचाच्यो अध्यक्षा श्रीमती रापोल हे आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
I'm Mr. M.K. Shekhar, Mr. Carlos Almeida, sorry. To build anything, to build a nation we need to India is he built a foundation when there was nothing in India. When India was financially over, there was no finance, there was no wealth, there was nothing. From nowhere and from nothing, he built a nation which is strong today and which is growing up. Children is the fabric of the country. Today, we should tell our children what our past leaders did. And a great person like Jawaharlal Nehru who put a foundation for the country. And whatever is the education which we are getting, the height we have reached in India today, it is done because the foundation was very strong. And I'm very, very proud to say, as a chairperson of Jawahar Padman, that it is a day that we have to celebrate because it was the great leader who has done this. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Today we commemorate the death anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, as you know, was a leader of his own right even before India attained independence, having led agitations against the British, having participated in the freedom movement, having been jailed for his movements, and finally he was the first Prime Minister of our new nation. On 15 August 1947, he was sworn in as the first Prime Minister of India. But what stands out of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, which we need to remember and which we need to celebrate, is that he was very highly educated, having studied in London, and he even became a barrister. He came to practice in Allahabad in the High Court, and he was a tall leader of our nation. Education makes a difference, and it's the education which gives you the foundation for wisdom, for direction, and for thought. And that is how our nation's foundations were laid bare by Jawaharlal Nehru, taking a nascent India into trajectory where the world was facing challenges, and took our new nation forward with many things, from agricultural revolution, the green revolution, or the industrial revolution, to the atomic research, to space, to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and everything which you can name. Not simply laid the foundations, but made sure that he could see his dreams come true. There's a difference between being educated, one is qualifications, and the other is being educated. It is simply not qualifications you hang on a wall which makes you educated, but it is the kind of education, your upbringing, which makes your person and your personality reflects from that. He never posed with any fake degrees. He never posed that he was a man who knew everything, and he never showed certificates which were fake. But that is what is the quality of a man who led a nation and who needs to be remembered. Second, I wish to tell you that he was a man of the masses, because you would know that wherever he went, he was loved by one and all, and especially he loved the children, and that is why you would know that 14th November, his birthday, is known as Chacha Nehru's Day, and for that his connect with the people was at the grassroots level, not with the high and the mighty, not with the bold and the beautiful, not with the rich and the famous, but with those people, the simple people, which he believed and which the Congress stands for. And I say one thing, if you know that tragic end which he suffered strokes and he passed away on 27th May. It is a very sad day in India's history when we lost a great leader. But having lost a leader, it doesn't mean that he needs to be forgotten. He is a beacon of hope. He is a beacon of sense of direction. He is a beacon for all the people to emulate in his example. He even could speak foreign languages. Remember this. Besides Indian languages, he spoke foreign languages. And that is the best way often to break into the hearts of foreign dignitaries, foreign leaders, because when you speak their language, not some one or two prepared sentences, but he could actually converse, he could have an interview, and that is the way you lead a nation forward when you have this kind of a set. He believed in secularism, he believed in democracy, the exact ideals of what our constitution framers, but he was one of them, believed in, and that is how today what we have a nation which is sought to be destroyed is what he was seeking to build. And I think we need to uphold his values, his principles, take it down to the people, let the new generation know about his vision, his future for India. And if we stand today, if we stand tall today, it's because of leaders like him. And God bless him.
सगळे पत्रकार भाव आणि तुम्ही सगळे आयच्या या कार्यावळीक हाजीर रावले पासत हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी आयची कार्यावळ सोडली जाय देव
बरें तुमचे प्रेसिडेंट आनी एलओपी दिसना कित्याक
I फोन केला ताका विचारपाक कितें जालां हांव डायरेक्टली आयलो but maybe they've got their own personal reasons why they've not come. I think you can find out from them why. Maybe they're not in town, I don't know.
तुमचे कॅन्डिडेट बी नासले
लोकसभा candidate.
Well, I can't answer why they are absent. We can ask them. But, maybe they're taken off for holiday. But they are nationalists, I knew that. Actually, you would know one more thing. That as I was talking about Pandit Nehru, they connect, our candidates also connected with the people. And maybe they definitely must, maybe they're taking rest because they might have gone out. But they are definitely not avatars of God.
Thank you.
They will be attending elsewhere, the districts also. There are programs in the districts also.
Asa.
Sir.